Exercise 2, page number 12. Number 1. Arrange the following numbers in Indian place value chart. Write them in blank spaces with commas at the right places. So, we know that Indian place value chart, like first ones, after that tens, after that hundreds, thousands, $10,000, lakh. Now our first question is 19285. So we will start from right side. First 5, after that 8, 9, 1. Okay, now we can say 19,285. Now we need to rewrite them with commas. We know that in Indian place value chart, first comma we should write between 1000 and 100. That means here. So now we can call it 19,285, and this is our answer. Now question number D is 928750. According to the question, we will arrange this number from right side. In the ones place, we will write 0, after that 5, after that 7, after that 8, after that 2, and the last number is 9. So here we can say that 9,28,750 according to the Indian place value chart. Okay, now we need to rewrite them with commas. So we already know that in Indian place value chart we need to write first comma between thousands and hundreds. That means here. And the second comma we need to write between lakh and 10,000. That means here. So now we can say that 9,28,750 with commas. So this is our answer. Okay students, numbers B and number C, both the question for you. Try to solve it and write the answer in the comment sections. Okay students, let's move on to the next. Now question number 2. Arrange the following numbers in international place value chart. Write them in blank spaces with commas at the right places. Number A, 48517. First of all, we will learn about international place value chart. International place value chart like that, from right side to left side. From right side, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So we already know that we need to write from right side. So first number is 7, after that 1, after that 5, 8, 4. Here we can see that 48,517. Now we need to rewrite them with commas. In the international place value chart, we should also write comma between thousand and hundreds. That means here. So first comma we always should write between thousand and hundreds in international place value chart and also in the Indian place value chart. Okay, students? So our answer is 48,517. Okay, students, this is our answer. Now number D is 3327458. So we need to arrange in international place value chart like that. 8 5 4 7 2 3 3. Now we need to rewrite them with commas. So we already know that in international place value chart we need to write comma, first comma between 1000 and 100 place. That means here. And second comma between million and 100,000 place. That means here. Okay, students? Now we can say that 3,327,458. So our answer is 3,327,458. Okay, students? Now number B and number C, both the question for you. Try to solve it and write the answer in the comment section.